So, Hornby Mallard, this one's been in the pipeline for quite a while, so it's finally time to get it done. First off, solving the wires for the tender pickups. And then we'll run the wires from the tender through the drawbar to the engine. Now we're running them through where was the rear trailing wheels. Had to remove those so I can fit the wires in. I'll probably glue them on as dummies in the future. Now a quick bit of lubrication on the bearings and the wheels to keep it running smooth and quietly. Now we'll put things like the gear assembly in and the motor back into place to start getting this thing back together. And now we'll fit a piece of insulation tape where the drawbar is to just make sure the wires aren't dangling around while it's driving around the layout. Very fiddly, so tweezers useful here to get this tape to wrap around the drawbar. And now we will solder the wires into the correct places and then solder them onto the PCB board. Now cutting off some of the insulation on the outside of the wire so I can solder both pickup wires, one from the loco wheels, one from the tender wheels. Make it one wire so it's easier to get to the PCB. And now we'll solder the wires onto the PCB with low melt solder Now time for a quick test run, and yep, it runs pretty well. Tender pickups mean it's good over all the points on the layout. So time for reassembly now. Put the front pony on, decoder's fitted. Now adding a bit of weight to the tender just to make sure it's a bit more stable on the track so it doesn't jump off any nasty corners. And prepared the body. Some nice cab detail on this one. Had a look at some reference photos for this. And now we'll reassemble the pieces, screwing on the tender body and then putting the coupling on the back. Now we'll put the loco body on, making sure the decoder does not snag on anything. Just the one screw holds the loco body on at the front of the chassis. So we'll screw that on with change of screwdriver for this. So then that's this one done. Back into reviewing service on the layout. Thanks for watching. And next video should be including some track work.